On this Hyundai Accent, we have a pretty bad belt squeal when the vehicle is under load. Also when the belt is cold, so starting it up in the mornings when the AC and the alternator are at full load. I'm gonna see if it can do it real quick. So I'm gonna put the AC on full blast. And I noticed that when having the high beams and putting down the windows and accelerating, there it is, a little chirp. You can kind of hear it. The vehicle is a little warmer right now, and it is like 90 degrees out, so the belt is a little warm, has a little more traction. There it is. So what I'm gonna do is, my hypothesis is that the belt's just a little loose, so I'm gonna tighten it up. What I mean by that is that this does not have a spring-loaded tensioner. This has the alternator-style tensioner where you just tighten up the alternator and that tightens the belt. So I'm going to tighten it up a little bit and see if the noise goes away. I've gone ahead and tightened up the belt, and under the same conditions with the high beams on, AC on, and of course pulling down all 4 windows and giving it a nice harsh acceleration. There appears to be no belt squeal, so that was the issue.